we have a situational question here. Mrs. Eudora uses recorded lectures for her students because it has been proven by research that it is preferred by most students in their school. With the help of her recorded lectures, students can easily review the discussion she made for her lessons. For what purpose did the research serve for? Okay, you are being asked about the purpose, ano? So let us consider the situation here. So here are the possible answers. So we have to be updated with the new facts, or B, to improve quality of life, or C, to find solutions, or is it D, to identify if the solution is effective? Okay, D, C. Okay, sige nga. How about you, Ma'am Annalie? Ayan, si Ma'am Annalie, lagi din tong kasama, no? Lagi rin siyang active na active, no, kahit sa chat-chat lang si Ma'am Annalie ay laging active. Sige nga Ma'am Annalie po, pa-share nga po ng iyong answer. Okay. Ayan, wala si Ma'am Annalie. Ayan. So sige nga po, kung wala si Ma'am Annalie, sige, next po si Ma'am Rodeline, LPT. Yan, Ma'am Rodeline, taga saan ka?
Hi, Coach. From Benguet po, Coach.
From Benguet. Ayan, malamig dyan.
Yes po.
Sige.
Yung sagot ko po dito, Coach, is letter... Wait lang po, Coach. Medyo nag-loading pa po. Coach, hindi po ako sure, pero with this question, I think the answer is letter D, to identify if the solution is effective po.
Okay. So, letter D is your answer. Bakit po? Bakit kaya letter D?
Kasi po, Coach, sa purpose na, sa research po, yung purpose nun po is, wait lang po, Coach. Medyo hindi mo ma-articulate. Wait lang po.
Okay. So let us consider the chat box, ano? Sabi nila D and A. So ang sabi naman ni Ma'am, ano? Letter D rin, to identify if the solution is effective. Okay. Okay, meron pang idadagdag? Okay, so ito na, balikan natin yung questions. So here, yan, Mrs. Eudora uses recorded lectures for her students because it has been proven by research that it is preferred. Okay, so our clue here is preferred by most students in their school. With the help of her recorded lectures, students can easily view the discussion she made for her lesson. So siguro nagkaroon ng evaluation yung school kung alin yung effective na learning delivery modality sa mga bata. So ang sabi daw ng mga bata doon sa research, ano, mas gusto namin yung recorded kasi po pwede naming balikan yung mga lectures ni Teacher Eudora. So si Teacher Eudora, nagbase siya doon sa research. Kaya ginawa niya yon sa kanyang klase. Nagkaroon siya ng mga recorded lectures. Pero ang tinatanong pa rin po dito, no, yung purpose. So since, di ba, tinatanong kung ano yung preferred ng estudyante, no? So the correct answer here is to improve the quality of life. So bakit po? Kasi nga po, no, ang preferences, di ba? Kahit tayo may mga preferences, accessibility ng mga bagay-bagay. Pag sinabing accessibility, no, yung mas madali para sa atin. So if we have that fact, no, we can say that it is for the improvement of your life because it can make your life easier, di ba? So that is the best answer. To be updated with new facts, so wala namang sinabing facts dito kasi recorded lecture, kahit pa face-to-face yan or recorded yung lecture mo,